Do you know how important your kidneys are for your overall health? These bean-shaped organs sitting snugly in the lower back are often overlooked, but they are powerhouses of function. Our kidneys are tireless workers, operating 24/7 to keep our bodies in balance. They're our personal recyclers, filtering about 200 quarts of blood each day to sift out about 2 quarts of waste and extra water. This waste becomes urine, which flows to the bladder and is then excreted. But that's not all. Our kidneys also regulate the body's salt, potassium, and acid content. They even produce hormones that influence other organs. These hormones help regulate blood pressure, make red blood cells, and maintain bone health. In essence, our kidneys are unsung heroes, pivotal to our overall health. That's why it's so important to keep them in good condition. Maintaining your kidneys' health is crucial, and diet and lifestyle play a significant role in it. What you eat directly impacts your kidneys' health. That's a fact, not just a saying. But what does a kidney-friendly diet look like? Let's dive right in. At the heart of it all is balance. A balanced diet is essential for overall health, and your kidneys are no exception. It's all about nourishing your body with the right nutrients, and yes, that includes your kidneys too. So, what's on the menu for healthy kidneys? Fruits and vegetables for starters. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that your kidneys need to function properly. And let's not forget about whole grains. They're a great source of energy, and they also provide your body with essential nutrients like fiber, B vitamins, and iron. Next up, lean proteins. Think fish, poultry, and beans. These foods are high in protein but low in fat, making them a great choice for your kidneys. They help your body repair and build tissues, and they also help your immune system fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. Hydration also plays a crucial role in kidney health. Water helps your kidneys filter out waste from your blood, so make sure you're drinking plenty throughout the day. However, remember that everyone's hydration needs can vary, so listen to your body and drink when you're thirsty. Now, while it's important to know what to add to your diet, it's equally important to know what to limit. Sodium, added sugars, and saturated fats should be consumed in moderation. High sodium intake can increase blood pressure, which can damage your kidneys over time. Added sugars can contribute to weight gain and diabetes, both of which can put a strain on your kidneys. And saturated fats can raise your cholesterol levels, which can lead to heart disease, a common cause of kidney disease. So, there you have it. A balanced diet filled with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of water, while limiting sodium, added sugars, and saturated fats. It's not just about keeping your kidneys healthy, but it's about maintaining your overall health too. Remember, a healthy diet is the first step towards healthy kidneys. So take that step today, for the sake of your kidneys, and for the sake of your health. Beyond diet, certain lifestyle habits can also help in maintaining kidney health. Let's delve into these habits, shall we? First off, regular exercise. You don't have to be an Olympic athlete to reap the benefits. Even light activities like walking or swimming can go a long way in keeping your kidneys healthy. Next, maintaining a healthy weight. This is crucial because obesity can lead to conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure, which are harmful to your kidneys. So aim to keep your weight in check. Now let's talk about smoking. It's no secret that smoking is bad for your health, but did you know it's particularly harmful to your kidneys? Yes, it's true. Smoking slows the blood flow to the kidneys, preventing them from functioning properly. If you're a smoker, consider quitting for the sake of your kidneys. Moving on to alcohol, while moderate consumption can be part of a healthy lifestyle, excessive drinking can cause high blood pressure and liver disease, both of which are harmful to your kidneys. So, limit your alcohol intake. Lastly, regularly checking your blood pressure is key. High blood pressure can damage your kidneys and lead to kidney disease. Regular checkups can help you keep on top of it. Adopting these healthy lifestyle habits can significantly improve your kidney health. So, let's make a commitment to our kidneys today, shall we? Now you know how crucial your kidneys are and how to keep them healthy. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also about maintaining an active and balanced lifestyle. Fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins are your kidneys' best friends, and so are regular exercise and adequate sleep. Always stay hydrated and keep your blood pressure in check. Your kidneys will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Take care of yourself and your kidneys.